We got our smoke, and if I bring this, it jumps through that smoke to the wick. Hi everyone, my name is David Henry Wrigley. I am a traveling science show presenter from the Franklin Institute. I'm here today. I have an opportunity to share with you a little candle science, which I find very compelling. So, we've all seen candles. In fact, Benjamin Franklin, before he was a printmaker or a diplomat, he was a candle maker. So when I see a candle, I've often wondered, what's going on with this thing? There's a cool flame, they're burning, they're pretty. But what's actually happening? For any combustion reaction, you need fuel, which is our candle wax, oxygen, or some oxidizer, in this case it is oxygen, and that oxygen is in the air as billions and billions of molecules of oxygen available to that flame. And then you need heat. The candle is melting as it heats up. Well, the wax as a liquid isn't actually what's combusting. That liquid is heating up even further and becoming a vapor or a gas. When molecules get warmer, they can go from a solid to a liquid to a gas. And this gas is what's going through our combustion reaction. So, these vaporized hydrocarbons that make up our candle, that make up the fuel, they're present even in the smoke of a blown out candle. We're going to relight the candle, and then we're going to blow it out again, but this time, instead of relighting it like that, I'm going to bring a flame close and into that fuel that's in the smoke. So here we go. We got our smoke, and if I bring this, it jumps through that smoke to the wick. Let's do it one more time. Boom. The flame reacts with those hydrocarbons. We've got our heat, we've got the oxygen in the air, and we've got the fuel inside of the smoke. It travels down the smoke and reignites the fuels that are around the wick. Signing off, Spark of Science.